Looking to monetize your app in 2025? Here's a quick rundown of the most popular SDKs developers are using today. AdMob by Google, widely trusted, easy to integrate, and offers solid fill rates. A great starting point for many mobile apps. Unity Ads, optimized for mobile games, especially with high-performing rewarded video ads. AppLovin Max, leverages real-time bidding for higher revenue, ideal for apps with steady user traffic and ad inventory. CastarSDK, an ad-free monetization option that runs quietly in the background. It protects privacy and works well across all kinds of apps and games. PacketStream SDK, a desktop-focused SDK offering passive income through bandwidth sharing, lower payout, but reliable for certain use cases. Whether you're building games, tools, or services, there's an SDK that fits your monetization goals. Ad-based or ad-free, choose what's right for your users.